Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what is Bollinger Band and how can we trade using the Bollinger Band and what are the different concepts in the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is a technical analysis tool defined by set of trend lines. They are plotted as two standard deviations, both positively and negatively, away from a simple moving average. So in between there is a moving average. This orange EMA is the simple moving average of a security's price and can be adjusted using according to the user preferences. This is the blue line above is the upper Bollinger Band. In between this orange SMA is called the middle Bollinger Band. Lower line, blue line is called the lower Bollinger Band. What is called Bollinger Band breakout? Here we can see this is the breakout. Why we are calling this as a breakout? That means the upper Bollinger Band is going up and the lower Bollinger Band is coming down. Okay, and the price is also above the mid band. You can take long position if the previous close breaks above the upper band. So this is called breakout. So breakout, in that case you can enter into the long trade. Similarly, what is called breakdown means here we can see that the lower Bollinger Band is coming down and the upper Bollinger Band is going above. And if you are getting any red candle below, this is called as breakdown in Bollinger Band. That is, you can take short position if the previous close drops below the bottom channel. So the bottom channel is the lower Bollinger Band. So this is for short trade. That is, if you are getting any breakdown in Bollinger Band, we can enter into the PE trade. Next, the main concept in Bollinger Band we have to understand is the skews, that is Bollinger Band skews. Here we can see that the Bollinger Band got skewed and the candles also in between this skews, that is, this is called the consolidation phase. Okay, so in Bollinger Band we will call this as a skews in the price. The Bollinger Band skews occurs when volatility falls to low levels and Bollinger Band becomes narrow. So here this is the Bollinger Band becomes narrow. Therefore, volatility contraction or narrowing of the bands can foreshadow a significant advance or decline. So after the long time consolidation, if you are getting any breakdown or breakout, we can enter into the short trade or the long trade. Here we can see that there is a breakdown happens after the Bollinger Band skews. So this is the place where we can enter into the short trade. So here we can see that the Bollinger Band becomes narrow and the price is in between this narrow range. Now we can understand the concept of mean reversion. Mean reversion assumes that if the price deviates from mean or average, it eventually reverts back to the mean price. Bollinger Band identify asset price that have deviated from the mean. In the range bound market, mean reversion strategies will work as the price travels between the two bands like a bouncing ball. So this is a range bound market. We can see that the price is in between this upper band and the lower band. Okay. So what is the meaning of mean reversion? Mean means average, reversion means returning to. So mean reversion equal to returning to the average. So here the mid band is the 20 SMA. So the price is returning back to the 20 SMA. Here we got the breakdown at the lower band and immediately we got the red candle. After that, price touched the 20 SMA. So that will show you how to do that trade in the chart. We can see how can we add the Bollinger Band in the trading view. Go to the indicators and type Bollinger Bands. The second indicator is relative strength index. So we are not going to change anything in the settings of the Bollinger Band. Okay, click on settings here. So we'll explain you what the inputs and the style is. Here the length is 20. So what is the 20 means? That is the 20 SMA. Okay, and standard deviation is 2. Okay, go to the style. Here we have the upper, lower and the basis. So what is this upper? Upper means this upper Bollinger Band. Lower is the lower Bollinger Band, which is blue in color. Okay, basis, that is the mid band, that is the 20 SMA. So if you change the length of 20 to 10, we can see that there is a change in the settings. So if we change the periods to 10, we can see the quicker movements. So based on a trading style, we can set the desired parameters. So also here we can see the standard deviation is 2. So from the basis, the price can deviate to 2 standard deviation above or below. So the mid band is, we can see this is as 20. So the 20 is the 20 simple moving average, that is 20 SMA. Click on OK. Now in the RSI settings, the RSI length is 14. Go to the style and we don't want this RSI based MA, upper Bollinger Band and lower Bollinger Band. The RSI upper band we are going to change this as 60, lower band is 40. Okay. We don't want this RSI background fill, Bollinger Band's background fill overbought, oversold. Okay. Click on OK. Now the setup is ready to trade for Bollinger Band breakout and breakdown. So what is called Bollinger Band breakout and Bollinger Band breakdown? Here we can see that the price is within the range, that is Bollinger Band got skewed. Okay, so price is in the consolidation phase. So after consolidation, we can see that there is a Bollinger Band breakout or Bollinger Band breakdown. So this is called Bollinger Band breakout. Okay, so here why this is called breakout? Here we can see that the upper Bollinger Band is going up. Okay, and the lower Bollinger Band is coming down. So this is called breakout trade. So one can enter into the long trade above this candle, above this green candle. Also we can put a horizontal ray here. This is called the resistance. So this is also called the resistance level. So price is above the resistance level. So one can consider it as a long trade, and also we got the confirmation from the Bollinger Band breakout also. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Also we can see that the mid Bollinger Band, that is a 20 SMA, also going along with the price. And we can see here the RSI is also above 60. So this is the perfect entry for the long trade. We can see one more example from Nifty. The time frame is 15 minutes. So you can use any time frame to enter into the breakout and the breakdown trade. So here we can see that the upper Bollinger Band is going up and the lower Bollinger Band is falling, that is coming down. And when you look into the RSI is above 60. So this is a perfect entry for the long trade. Above this green candle, we can enter into the long trade. Okay, and you can keep the stop loss low of this green candle. So once you enter into the long trade, this is the breakout trade. Okay, so this is the breakout. So this is a perfect breakout trade. So you can, once you enter into the long trade, you can always trail your profits, and we can also see that the price is going along with the upper Bollinger Band. Or you can book your profits according to your RR ratio. We can see one example for the Bollinger Band skews. Okay, here in this place we can see that the price is within the range, and also the Bollinger Band is also getting squeezed. Okay, means the price is moving in between the upper band and the lower band. And when you see the RSI also between the 60 and 40 range. So this is called the Bollinger Band skews. Okay, so Bollinger Band skews means price is in the consolidation phase, or we can say it as a sideways market. Okay, this is the Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame. We can see one example for the breakdown. So here the price is in within the range, that is price is consolidating. Okay, this is the first 9:15 candle and this is the 9:30 candle, and we can see that for till 10:45 the price is within the range, that is price is in the consolidation phase. So here we got the Bollinger Band breakdown. This red candle. Here the lower Bollinger Band is coming down and the upper Bollinger Band is going up. So this is called Bollinger Band breakdown. Okay, so we can enter into the short trade below the low of this red candle, and we can trail our profits. Here also we can see that the price is falling along with the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, so one can trade the profits and book their profits according to their RR ratio. And we can see that the RSI also below 40. So we can see here in this red candle, the RSI also came below 40. So we can enter into the PE trade. This is the Bajaj Finance chart, 5 minutes time frame. Here after the consolidation, that is after the Bollinger Band skews, we can see that here we got the breakdown. Here the lower Bollinger Band is coming down and the upper Bollinger Band is going up. So one can enter into the short trade below this. Okay, below this red candle we can enter into the short trade, and we can see that the RSI also below 40. Okay, and after that we can see that the price is in the consolidation phase, that is price is in between the lower Bollinger Band and the upper Bollinger Band. We can see one more example for the breakdown trade. So this is the HDFC Bank 15 minutes time frame chart. Here we can see that the first 15 minutes candle we got the breakdown trade, that is lower Bollinger Band is coming down and the upper Bollinger Band is going up, and also the 20 SMA is also coming along with the price. When we look into the RSI is also below 40. So one can enter into the PE trade, that is look for short trade below this red candle. Okay, so on the whole day RSI is below 40. This is the Indecent Bank 15 minutes time frame chart. Here we can see that there is a Bollinger Band breakout trade. So we can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Okay, and we can see also the 20 SMA also going along with the price. Here the RSI, we can see RSI also above 60. Okay, we can see one more example from the Dr. Reddy's Labs. Okay, the time frame I have selected is daily time frame. Here we can see that this is the daily time frame chart. So here for the 27th March, we can see that there is a breakout trade. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Okay, here all RSI also above 60 levels. So all the criteria got met here. So this is the perfect long trade. This is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra, currently having 6,548 subscribers. So there are so many fake Telegram channel under my name, so don't get trapped. Okay, so here I used to share the Nifty and the Bank Nifty levels, that is a support and resistance levels, every day evening, that is prior to the market. So for tomorrow I'll be sharing today evening the resistance and support for Nifty. Today morning I have shared Nifty, that is 19,398 is a strong support, and Nifty long above 19,460. After that Nifty achieved the resistance level 19,514 and I told to trail the profits or book full. After that Nifty touched the particular resistance, we saw the fall from that particular level. So those who are trading Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday, they can join my Telegram channel, and this is a free Telegram channel. So my views for Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis I will be sharing here every day. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.